Hi guys, welcome to Gyan Vigyan Foundation's Iyer Academy, and you are watching my YouTube channel Gyan Vigyan Foundation. So friends, today in this video we shall try to understand one another subtopic in physics, that is about the introduction of motion in a plane. As we see objects moving all around us, motion is a change in the position of an object with respect to time. We have come across the motion of a toy car when pushed along some particular direction. The motion of a cricket ball hit by a batsman for a sixer, and the motion of an aeroplane from one place to another. Similarly, the motion of objects can be divided into three categories. That is, the first one is about the motion along a straight line, that is the rectilinear motion. The second one is motion in dimensions, that is motion in a plane. And the third one is about the motion in three dimensions, that is motion in space. The above mentioned examples correspond to three types of motions respectively. Now, guys, let us try to understand the next term, that is about the rectilinear motion. Consider an object moving along a straight line. Let us assume this straight line to be along the x-axis. Let x1 and x2 be the position vectors of the body at time t1 and t2 during its motion. The following quantities can be defined for the motion, that is about the displacement. The displacement of the given object between T1 and T2 is the difference between the position vectors of the given object as the two instances. Thus, the displacement is given by small s, which is equal to delta x, and again which is equal to x2 minus x1. Its direction is along the line of motion of the object, and its dimensions are that of the length. For example, if an object has traveled through 1 meter from time t1 to t2 along the direction of positive x-axis, and the magnitude of its displacement is 1 meter and its direction is along the positive x-axis. And on the other hand, if the object traveled along the positive y-axis direction through the same distance in the same time, the magnitude of its displacement is the same as before, that is 1 meter, but the direction of the displacement is along the positive y axis. So, friends, this was about rectilinear motion. Now, let us try to understand the next term, that is about the path length. This is the actual distance traveled by the object during its motion. It is a scalar quantity and its dimensions are also that of length. If an object travels along the x-axis from x is equal to 2 meter to x is equal to 5 meter, then the distance traveled is equal to 3 meter. In this case, the displacement is also 3 meter and the direction is along the positive x-axis. However, if the object come back to x is equal to 4, then the distance through which the object has moved increases to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 meter. Its initial position was x is equal to 2 meter and the final position is now x is equal to 4 meter, and thus its displacement is delta x is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 meter. That is, the magnitude of the displacement is 2 meter and its direction is along the positive x-axis. If the object now moves to x is equal to 1, then the distance traveled, that is the path length, increases to 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7 meter, while the magnitude of the displacement becomes 2 minus 1 equal to 1 meter, and its direction is along the negative x-axis. So, guys, by now you might have understood my subtopic in physics. And if you have understood my subtopic in physics, then please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.